you guys, thank you so much for choosing my channel. My name is Asani Beauty. Today's video is going to be a review and tutorial using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I think this thing dropped on Sephora last week. As soon as I saw it, I bought it. I did see some social media influencers, some beauty gurus out there trying the palette. When I first saw it, I did think like, this seems like a fall winter palette. Why is she dropping this, or why are they dropping this right before the spring when I first impressions? And to be honest, you can create some nice fall looks here, but you can also create some spring looks. I did this look here. But just to say my thoughts on the Anastasia brand, I do like the brand overall. I use the Dip Brow Pomade for my eyes. My eyebrows, I use the Glow Kit for my face, and I have other eyeshadow palettes with Anastasia. I have the Master Palette by Mario, which is like one of her first, like, for sure eyeshadow palettes. That was an unlimited edition. If you don't know, Mario is and Kim Kardashian are like buddy. He's like the makeup artist behind her looks and the contouring. So she has a palette with him, and she also has another palette. I want to say it's the Modern Renaissance palette. I have those two palettes in addition to that one, and I do like those palettes. They are awesome. They're very pigmented, very buttery, and pretty much it's the same thing with this palette. It's very beautiful. She gives a wide variety of shades. If you look, the name of the palette is Soft Glam, and it's definitely a soft glam, which all of her shadow palettes are, the ones that I have, in my opinion. I know she has a couple that she released in 2017 that didn't do well, and I don't know about those. I didn't try it. I read reviews first, but I definitely like this one. I created today's look using this palette. It is, I think, $42 in Sephora. If you are interested in recreating this look that I did, definitely stand by. Should you buy this palette? I don't know. Should you? If you want to. I'll say probably why you wouldn't want to, because one, they have Burnt Orange, Sienna, and Cypress Umber. These three shades are in the Modern Renaissance palette. So if you have Modern Renaissance, you may want to skip on this because you may have these other shades in another palette. However, I do like it. Am I going to keep it? I don't know, but I'm using it for now. So like I said, stick by if you want to see me create this look using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and also hit subscribe. And there's another video coming your way right after this one. Thanks, you guys. guys, that was my review and tutorial using Anastasia's Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. If you like the palette, pick it up. Just leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well at Asani Beauty. Let me know what you think about the palette. And also, if you create some looks, tag me in them and let me see them. Definitely hit like and subscribe. And see you guys later. There's a video this way or this way. I'm quite sure. But watch the next video and let me know what you think. Thank you guys and enjoy your weekend.